In this video, we're going to use the swipe up option and we're going to learn how to link any link on the internet, whether you want to send customers to your store, to YouTube, to Facebook. Let's learn how to do that. Thanks for joining me to African Multi Design. My name is Zanele. If we're meeting for the very first time, our channel is dedicated to growing your business online. So as I previously said, in this video, we're going to learn how to link your Instagram story so that your customers can go to any link that you want them to go to. So it could be your website, like our website here. It could be your YouTube channel where you want to send them to a particular video that you've just created. It could also be you want to send them to your Facebook and you've got an active Facebook, you've got a store running on your Facebook account. We have a group that we are running on Facebook. So you could take any particular link and you send your customers from your Instagram stories to that link that you've sent them to. So let's jump in. I would like to send my customers to my new video that I've just created that's helping them how to create an online store. So step number 1 would be for you to take a link and copy the link that you would like to use on your Instagram story. So I'm gonna copy the link. It says link copied, and then once you've copied the link, then you're going to go and create a video for Instagram TV. So let's do that. So we jump into step number 2. What you would do then is you would create a video of you showing the customers or your potential customers where to go to, and you give them an indication that they need to go click on the description above so that they're able to access the link of where you would like to send them to. So basically, IGTV or Instagram TV wants you to record a video of 1 minute or longer. So try to explain to the customers what they're going to see on your 1 minute video so that they can click on the link and they can go to where you need them to go to. Next, you're going to upload your video on Instagram TV. Let's quickly do that. From your Instagram account, you're going to access IGTV and you're going to upload that video that you've recorded of yourself showing your customers and content creators where to just click. Uploaded a video. So this is the video. You're going to click on next and you're going to decide which cover page you would like to use as your cover page for the video. I've created a link or a cover page from Canva, so I'm gonna go find that because I think it just looks nicer. And there we go, and I'm happy with my cover page. Then you would click next, and this is where you would type the title of the video of the where you would like to send your customers to. So I want to send them to go create their own store. And then this is the important part, the description. This is where you're going to paste that link of your YouTube that you've copied earlier on. You're going to go paste it on the description so that when the users click there, they access the link. And it's pasted there. The rest, you can add more description if you like, but most importantly is that link that you've pasted there. Once you're done, you click on post to IGTV and it will post on IGTV so that it's accessible to our customers. And now we move on to the last step. We're going to go to our stories once it has done uploading, and we're going to finalize the last step. Cool, now we're ready to link it on our stories. So we're going to go to our stories and we're going to go find that Canva page that we've created, and we size it quite nicely like that, and we're happy. And you can write your swipe up, swipe swipe up, and then you drag it to the bottom of the page, and you're gonna go look for a GIF that's going to ask your audience to swipe up. So I'm looking for a swipe up. I like this one with a hand. I'm gonna point the finger there and ask them to swipe up. The last thing we would like to do, this is the link. That's very important. You saw that link that I clicked to that's now available. You need to now go link your IG video that you've uploaded earlier on, and you need to direct your customers to the link that you've created. So you select your link like we've done, and you tick, and a call to action has been added, and now we're going to upload it to our stories, and we're going to share it, and it's shared. It's posting now. So the last thing I would like to show you is what are your audience going to see when they swipe up. And when they swipe up,
entrepreneurs and content creators, we've just
it takes them straight to the link, and if they click
tremendously.
on the description
so if you
below,
click on the description above up here, you can follow a link and go,
and then it takes them to wherever you wanted to send them to. I send them to my YouTube video, and that's how you create a link to your YouTube. I hope you're enjoying these tutorials. Let me know in comments below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. It helps not only the channel but all the other small business owners that are getting value out of the channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you next time.